To create your business profile on Medelz, start by visiting medelz.com. On the top right corner of the homepage, click on the Register button, then select Business since you're signing up as a business user. You'll be prompted to fill out essential details such as your business name, an active business email, the contact person's name, an active business phone number, and an active mobile number. Enter your complete business address including city, province, and zip code, then set a secure password. Next, you'll see a list of business categories. Select the one that best describes your business. Don't forget to check the box to agree to Medelz terms of service and privacy policy. Once you submit the form, you'll receive a verification code on your email. Enter the code to verify your account, and you'll be taken to your profile dashboard. On the right side, you'll notice your profile completion status, showing 0%. The goal is to bring it up to 100%. Start by uploading a profile picture. Click on the edit icon over the avatar. Choose an image under 1 megabyte. Adjust it using the Control key and mouse if needed, crop it, and then click Done. Refresh the page, and your profile should now show 50% complete. Next, upload a banner by clicking Edit Banner. Follow the same steps. Select the image, adjust it, crop, and click Done. Refresh the page once more, and now your profile is 100% complete. To make your profile more engaging and appealing to visitors, consider adding more details. While not mandatory, these enhancements can significantly improve the attractiveness and overall impact of your profile. Start by clicking Edit User Profile and navigating to the Biography Description section. Here, introduce yourself and your business. Explain who you are, what you do, and what your business is about. This section is your chance to make a strong impression. You can use different fonts and formatting styles to personalize your bio, so take the time to write something meaningful. You can also include links to your social media accounts or your website if you have one. If you're connected with any registered business on our platform, you can select it here. Additionally, if you're associated with other artists, whether they perform for you, are part of your organization, or collaborate with you, you can show those connections by selecting them in this section. Enable the Collab with Me option if you're open to collaborations with other artists or businesses. Also, turn on the Contact Me button to allow fans, artists, and businesses to reach out to you directly through a contact form on your profile. Don't forget to click Save Changes to apply all updates. While your written bio is important, a video can often make a stronger impression. If you have an introductory video about your business or want to highlight something significant, use the Upload Introductory Video section. Just scroll down, click the Upload Introductory Video button, select your video file, and click Done after uploading. It may take a few minutes to an hour for the video to be reviewed. Once approved, it will appear on your profile. Now you're ready to start exploring Medelz and engaging with artists through your business account.